Hello, my people. Happy Thursday. Warm welcome to your Investment Mastery series. And today we bring to you the Post Office Monthly Income Scheme. Thank you so much for watching, coming here, and really taking charge of your finances and building your financial freedom. So, 3 cheers to your spirit for your own financial education. Let's begin. So, COVID happened, and a lot of us were caught unaware. At least I was caught unaware, and I can take that as a cue for some of us, or most of us, I would say, because this is the first thing that we're dealing in our history. So, COVID happened, and at least I further realized how there was a need for me to generate an alternate source of income. Like, I realized that one source of income wasn't enough, and that there was a need for me to have income coming from different sources so that I am financially prepared for these uncertain times. Are you guys there? Did you guys think that? So let me begin by actually acknowledging the presence of some of you who've written about it here. Ridhima, Pavan, Rakhi, Babita, Rochelle, warm welcome guys. If you thought that yes, one source of income is not enough, so please write second, okay? Second stands for second income. So do type second so that I know that yes, like me, you also thought that second income or probably third income or many alternate sources of income are really important. It's a part of financial preparedness. So let's see who says second. Kritika, Smriti, Kajal, Hira, welcome guys. Okay, so Ridhima, Rochelle, Hira, Kajal, Kritika, Jyoti, everybody is saying second. Rupal, awesome, yes. So we've all realized, right? Most of us, Bina, we've all realized that we all need a second source of income, or I should say an alternate source of income. And maybe not one alternate source of income, maybe many. And guys, I want to say this, that investments could be one route to generate an alternate source of income. Okay? Like most of us know that property is one such source where we begin to generate a rental income from. Job is another source, or another source is a side hustle or a main business that we run. So these are our income generating sources, and then property is like one source where we generate a rental income from. Probably post office monthly income scheme could be another investment. Stocks, mutual funds, and so on. So investments could also be a route to generate an income. So whether you're a homemaker who wants to be financially independent and is looking at generating an income, or it could be that you're somebody who's retiring and wants another income, or it could be you're somebody who's my age, or younger or older, a little older, and would want to create multiple sources of income. So that's why we are having this conversation today. So let me quickly dive you into this. Okay, I have some of you sharing that yes, this is important for you. So thank you everybody for doing that. And now let me begin with Post Office Monthly Income Scheme, which is today's topic. So this scheme, guys, has a guaranteed return on your investment. That's the first thing, that it is guaranteed. It offers you 6.6% interest rate per year on your deposit, and it could be done in a post office. So this deposit has to be done in a post office for you to generate this guaranteed 6.6% interest rate every year. and the income, this 6.6% income is assured. Okay? So there's a guarantee on that, and you will receive it on a monthly basis. And that's why it's called the monthly income scheme, because you begin to generate this income month on month. So once you deposit this money, you will receive the interest from 1 month of the deposit. So say you made the deposit on the 1st of June, from the 1st of July, you start receiving the monthly income. So that's how it happens. It doesn't begin the day you deposit, it actually begins. So the monthly income begins to show up from 1 month of your deposit. So that's about it. Any resident Indian can open this account. So you got to be a resident Indian to be opening this account, and there is no limit to the entry age. So even kids who are say 10 years old, they can open their own account. So the monthly income scheme can be opened by minors who are above 10 years old, and in their own name they can do this. And the limit is that they up to maximum limit up to 3 lakhs is what they can deposit in this account. So this is how the minors can do it, and it doesn't affect the guardian's limit. So the guardian or any adult for that matter, anybody, any investor who's putting money, the minimum investment for this scheme is 1500 rupees only. So guys, I want to break this myth today. If you ever thought that you require a huge amount of money to begin investment, this is one small lesson to know that it doesn't require many thousands or lakhs to begin your investing journey. Your monthly income can even begin with that 1500 that you have saved and you invest in this scheme. So that's where it begins. Okay? So that's the minimum amount of investment, which is 1500 rupees. The maximum amount of investment in this scheme is 4.5 lakh rupees in a single account. So which means there are 3 kinds of accounts. We talked about the minor account, which minors can open. We talked about a single account. So say I'm opening an account, then I can deposit up to 4.5 lakh. If 2 people are opening the account, which means a joint account, then they can deposit up to 9 lakh rupees. So that's how it is. So minors up to 3 lakh, anybody above 10 years can do this. The guardian's maximum limit is not hit because a minor has invested. It doesn't happen like that. So your kids can invest, you can invest, your husband can invest, anybody can invest in this. So like I said, that 6.6% is the monthly, is the yearly interest which is received monthly. So say you deposit 1 lakh rupees. Okay, I'm just doing a calculation. Say you deposit 1 lakh rupees. So at 6% it becomes 6600 rupees per year. 6600 rupees per year means it is 550 rupees per month. So on that 1 lakh, from the first month of your investment, you begin to generate 550 rupees. Same way, if you deposit 4.5 lakhs, you will receive 29,700 rupees, which is say about 30,000 rupees a year, and it comes to about 2,500 rupees per month. So that's what's possible. Okay? And the tenure is 5 years. Okay, so you invest for up to 5 years. So if you got whatever I said till now, please give me a thumbs up on the screen. Guys, I'm waiting, so please go ahead. And meanwhile, I'm looking at some of the comments. Okay, Prerna, thank you. Bindu, I'll answer your questions in a while. Kavya, yeah. Kajal, I want thumbs up coming in. Okay, a lot of them have come in. Okay, wow. Awesome. Awesome. Got you guys. Got you. So if you are getting support with this video, here is the time, okay, to pay back, to give back. Please share this video. Okay, please share this video. Click on that share button and say, I am a woman on wealth. So please share this video, because we don't know who that woman is who is wanting to generate a monthly income, and probably if this video reaches her, we are actually contributing to her building her money life. So please go ahead and share, and once you do that, just say shared on this video. While I wait, so interesting to have so many thumbs up and likes coming in. Thank you guys. Got it. So Ridhima has shared. Anybody else who's sharing right now? Thanks, Rochelle, Bindu. Okay. Yeah, guys, go ahead and share. Please go ahead and share, because we don't know which life we are impacting right now. Sure, Rahul, you could say you're a man on wealth. Absolutely, go for it. Kajal. Thank you, Rupal. It's good to see you after so long, Rupal. Kavya, shared with your mom. Minakshi. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for really not only making a difference just to yourself, but actually paying it forward. Thank you, and I want to say that I truly value this. So coming back, the tenure of this deposit is 5 years, and the nomination facility is available too. So if you want to nominate people, you're retired age, or you want to nominate people, you can do that. There is, the upside is that your capital or the money that you're investing in this account is fully protected. So it's absolutely protected, because this is backed by the government of India, and it's a risk-free scheme with guaranteed returns. So that's the advantage of capital protection here. One downside about this scheme is that it fully doesn't protect you from inflation. What does that mean? So inflation means that every day by day, the purchasing power of money is reducing. So analysts say that the inflation rate is about 6 to 7%, while the interest rate from this deposit, this scheme, the monthly income scheme, is 6.6%. So it could be that it doesn't fully cover us for inflation. So it could be that the investment that we've made could go down in value, by a small percentage, but definitely it is going down in value. So that's how it is. Another thing that I must say is that there is no tax advantage in this scheme. That's the second thing, that there is no tax advantage at all. So anybody who is taking this scheme, the interest which is earned is deducted. Like there is tax which is applied to that. Yes, the tax is not deducted at source, but it is treated as income from other sources. So yeah, that's how it is. How you open this account? So you can open this account in any head or general post office, and I will talk about how to open the account now. So you have to head into a post office. You first have to open a post office savings account, which gets linked for the monthly payout with your monthly income savings scheme account. So these are the two accounts which get opened and they get linked. You take an account opening form from the post office, and you take 2 passport size photographs. You take your address and identity proof, which could be an Aadhaar card, a passport, a PAN card, a driving license, voter ID, anything. If you are from tier 2, tier 3, a ration card, take any of that, okay, address proof, but you have to also carry the original. So you must carry the original ID for verification with you, and you can, in the form, you can choose the nominee whom you want to select, and this account opening form goes with a pay-in slip with which you can give a check for the initial opening, the sum that you want to deposit right now. The downside of this is that there is no online facility. Thanks to COVID, we can be a little hopeful that the online facility will come, but as of now, no online facility exists. And talking about liquidity now, so like I said, the 5-year tenure is fixed. There is an exit option, so you can do premature closing, but then it comes with a penalty. Okay guys, and the penalty is about 1 to 2% of the amount of your deposit. So how that works is, say you are closing it before the completion of 3 years, then the penalty charged is about 2%. And if you are closing it after 3 years, then the penalty charged is about 1%. So that's the penalty that is charged. But still, even if you're taking money out in 3 years time, like you're giving 2%, still you will make money, because you would be receiving all the monthly interest payout. So I'm just giving an example of this. Say you deposited 1 lakh. So say you're taking money out within 3 years time, so you'll be paying 2,000 rupees. And actually, if you see, you will be making, say, 6,600 rupees every year in monthly interest. So that's how, so still, even if you get the penalty, you will still make money in this scheme. So yeah guys, and this scheme is portable, so you can shift it from one post office to another post office. Okay. And before I talk more about the interest rates and how they've dropped over many years, let's see what our people are saying here, and I will also start answering some of the questions here. So, okay. Guys, you can type your question again in case I miss it in the chat, okay? Somebody has written something about Bitcoin. Yes, today's topic is not about that, so I'm skipping that. So, Bindu, you can create 2 accounts, but maximum limit is 4.5 lakh only. So that's how it is. Even if you do a joint, so say you have 2 daughters, so they can individually like do 4.5 lakhs plus 4.5 lakhs. That's how it can happen, but you can only contribute up to 4.5 lakhs. That's how it is. Okay, Bindu is saying 1 monthly income scheme is in her name. Okay, 2 joint term deposit, 1 each with her daughters. Okay, 1 double joint scheme. Is it possible? No. Okay, 1 is possible. Monthly income scheme 1. That's how it is. You can do it joint, you can do it single. 4.5 lakhs is the upper limit. Yeah, Kavya, I've said that 5 years is the maximum investment return. Kajal, you can deposit small amounts too. So you don't have to, like 1500 is where it begins. So minimum deposit is 1500, maximum is 4.5 lakhs. Anywhere between you can deposit. Okay. How you can deposit, I have answered. If you've missed it by any chance, you joined in late, please revisit the video. So Rakhi, I've mentioned how to join. Vati, if you want to continue after 5 years, you can open another scheme, right? Because 5 years it will mature. Jyoti, fixed deposit, yes, post office has that too. Vati, from Dubai you won't manage to open unless you're a resident Indian. You won't manage to open that. Okay. Absolutely, Rakhi. If you begin from a small investment, you can add more in a couple of months, and yeah, you can keep increasing. The same as I shared with Kajal. So Kajal, you will receive the monthly interest in your post office savings account. So it's like an income that you will have, and you can withdraw it from your income. You can withdraw your income from your post office savings account. So that's how it functions. So if you are a homemaker, you can definitely begin to generate an income from that. Awesome. Sheetal is cheering up for everybody. So is Hira. Mona, I've shared it's 4.5 lakhs. Sonia has answered you. So the income will keep coming, guys, for 5 years, month on month. That's how it will keep coming. You have to go to the post office to deposit this. That's how there's no online facility. That's the downside. Absolutely. So Rupal is saying she has a child, she has a son who turns 10. So yeah, Rupal, just get started. Be the guardian who gets the child financially conscious at this age. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, you can keep depositing, receive monthly income. Tax implications I've shared. It's not deducted at source, but there is a tax implication, so you will be charged, okay? You will be paying up. Okay, Meenakshi is saying, is it really a good option if it's not fully covering the inflation, and if I close it, pre-close it, then it's a penalty? Yes. Well, yes, there'll be. But why pre-close? If you make your own financial plan, and if your financial plan is smart and prudent, you don't need to do that, right? You don't need to pre-close. And I mean, if you have your emergency fund ready, you will not pre-close. And Meenakshi, yes, we are losing a little money, but it is far better than an FD, which is now beginning. I mean, because of COVID, the interest rates have further gone down, and in fixed deposit you're getting what, 4.25% if you're my age. Different for senior citizens though. So I really think this is far better than any fixed deposit though. Yeah, the downside is that you can only deposit up to 4.5 lakhs, but at least you can begin small. That's how it is. The interest is not tax free, Pawan. Yeah, and guys, if you are a homemaker, then definitely there'll be no tax because you will be under the tax bracket. So that's how it is. Now about the interest rates, which have been going down for this scheme. So earlier in 2014, 2015, that's how we call the financial year. So 2014-15, the interest rate was 8.4%. In 2015-16, it came down to, it was same. In 2015-16, it was same at 8.4%. In 2016-2017, it came down to 7.7 and 7.8%. In 2017-18, it came down to 7.6%. And then it came down in 18-19 to 7.3%. And in 19-20, it has come down to further 6.6%. So that's how the interest rates have been going down. So if you got some value from this video, please say great, okay? So that I know that you took some value. And yes, you can keep typing your questions. I'm here to answer. So I will now start also answering some questions while you guys write great or thumbs down. बकवास था, तुम क्या बोल रही हो, तुम्हें नहीं मालूम. So whatever you felt, okay. We are a safe space where our community talks openly and honestly. So you can give all the feedback that you have, guys. And we are a generous heart to really take it in whatever spirit. So let's start looking. Kajal, any other options than this monthly scheme? We'll be coming up with more. So my investment mastery series is for that. Is it a good option versus liquid fund? These two are very different categories. So it depends on your financial plan, time horizon, what financial goal you have, Sweta. So that's how you will decide. Is it a one-time deposit or we could do it over time? You can do it over time. No, senior citizens, no additional interest rates. Marisha, good to see you. I like some of our old people are coming back to action. Beautiful, Marisha, good to see you. Okay, so some of us have benefited. Thank you for acknowledging Bindu, Divya, Kritika, Rupal, Sheetal, Minakshi, Chetna, Pavan, Balvinder, Rakhi, Rahul, Vati. Thank you guys, Bhavna. So Kavleen's question is, any benefit for investment in this scheme rather than with banks? Yeah, you get a better interest. That's how it is. You get a monthly income. That's another thing. So you begin to generate an alternate source of income. That's how it helps. And I think even if you begin with these small steps, with small amounts, one day will come where you will have so many sources of income that you're far more prepared for any uncertainty that may show up. एंड वेल हम सबको पता है अनसर्टेनिटी पूछ के नहीं आता, कभी भी आ जाता है. अभी कोविड कभी भी आ गया. सो दैट्स हाउ इट इज एंड वी नीड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड द नेक्स्ट टाइम इट कम्स. सो द अपॉर्चुनिटी इज टू स्टार्ट नाउ. ओके, what is the benefit of the minor account? The benefit is that the minor becomes financially conscious from now on. He or she doesn't have to wait to be our age. Well, I started at 21. I started investing at 21. Warren Buffett started investing at 11. So it's great if we can get our kids started at 10. I think that's the benefit. Yeah, it is better than FD, giving more returns. Interest is coming down, but it's still pretty much at par with inflation. So I'll still give it a go. It's like that. Yeah, go ahead, go to the post office, figure it. Do make sure you wear your gloves, you wear the mask, and then go. Thank you, Hira, for acknowledging, Beena for acknowledging. So guys, we stop here. If you're going to invest, or if you're going to share this video with, say, a family member, so that they, that I think that could be a great idea. You could share this video with a family member so that they can quickly listen to it and come on the same page with you. So if you're going to share this with a family member, put S, and if you're going to invest in the post office, say MIS, monthly income scheme. So go ahead guys and start typing. Okay. So guys, while you are typing, I'm going to wait. So S for share and MIS for if you're opening this account. Okay. So Mona is asking how to have a minor account. My mom wants for my nephew, but she already has one. Yeah, so she can have one and the minor can have another under her guardianship, and it can be up to 3 lakhs. Mona, that's how it is. Got it. So Bindu is going for it. Dabira is going to share the video. Jagveer is going to invest. Seema is sharing. Mona is investing. Awesome. I'm glad to hear that you guys are investing. Rochelle, Seema is investing. Bindu, Sheetal, Hira, Kavleen. Okay, I am glad to hear that some of you are going to be in action. This is interesting. So Rakhi, Sweta, Swarna, Jyoti, Minakshi, got you guys. Got you. Awesome. So my mom is here and she's saying hello to everyone while you guys are talking about sharing and investing. So guys, that is it for today. I'm so glad to hear that all of you are jumping in and investing, because without action, there is no result. So make sure that you're just not gathering knowledge, but you're actually investing. And you can begin investing in this account with even 1500 rupees, like I said. So don't wait forever. Get started, because everything, even that alternate source of income, will begin with this small step that you take today. So guys, stay tuned. Every Thursday, we are going to come up with one investment to contribute to your money life. And that's why we're calling this My Investment Mastery Series, and this is your series. If you have not shared the video, do make sure that you share it and pay it forward. Take charge, guys. Be the women on wealth that you've always been. Loads of love and stay safe. Take charge.